Today's top 20 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Building apps with students using MadLearn. A computer science teacher at Kedron Elementary School in Georgia uses MadLearn to teach students of all grades to build apps and create portfolios, promoting project-based learning and digital citizenship. Scrying the AMD GFX1250 LLVM tea leaves. AMD is set to unveil its MI400 series of Datacenter Accelerators at the Advancing AI event, with preliminary LLVM support indicating two new accelerators, GFX1250 and GFX1251, with the GFX1250 focused on the machine learning market and capable of delivering native double-precision compute. Startup founders need their own version of a prenup. We had 3 teams imagine what they'd put in theirs. Startup founders are increasingly recognizing the importance of setting clear boundaries and expectations with their co-founders, likening their partnership to a marriage. AI is storage's biggest opportunity and biggest threat. AI is transforming the IT storage industry, offering significant opportunities for data storage and delivery, while also posing a threat to data security and integrity. Spain U20's midfielder Arcs joins London City. Daniela Arcs, a 20-year-old Spanish midfielder, has joined London City Lionesses on a 3-year deal, subject to international clearance. A former Oracle engineer on an H-1B visa says AI and tech layoffs pushed him into constant career prep mode. A former Oracle engineer on an H-1B visa, Ayush Raj JHA, is among hundreds of thousands of workers in the U.S. on temporary work visas, facing uncertainty and fear due to layoffs and the rise of AI in the tech industry. Siege in Palestinian village draws U.S. criticism as Israeli settlers dig in. U.S. officials are pressing Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to publicly condemn militant settlers who have besieged Palestinians in their homes in the occupied West Bank, including the home of a Palestinian American, as part of a concerted effort to seize more land. I took a 30% pay cut to move to Spain. I made budgeting mistakes when adjusting to my new salary, but it was worth it. Damien Monell, a 28-year-old recruiter, took a 30% pay cut to move from Ireland to Spain, where he now works for Amazon. Despite making budgeting mistakes, he has more than doubled his lower salary over the past 4 years and considers the move worth it. The Judgment Reservoir. The company's annual board meeting will focus on the underwhelming 6 revenue growth, despite impressive execution metrics, including the launch of 3 new products, feature backlog clearance, and improved sales and customer support processes. This gap between expected and actual growth highlights the need for a reevaluation of the company's strategy and investments. Ise Jingu and the Pyramid of Enabling Technologies, 2021. The Ise Jingu Grand Shrine, a sacred Shinto site in Japan, has a unique tradition of periodic reconstruction, with the inner shrine, Neiku, and outer shrine, Geku, rebuilt every 20 years. Isaac L. A. B. Japanese letter, PPO Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, UNITREEG, 1 Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese symbol, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter 0. 62 kg Japanese letter, MSS. CURRICULUM Japanese letter, SAFE approach policy. Unitree G1's robotic hand learns to grasp and lift a 0.62 kg bottle using Isaac Labs' PPO algorithm, introducing a mass curriculum and safe approach policy to adapt to varying bottle weights. The project aims to develop a robust grasp and retention strategy for a 600 ml beverage bottle. When should AI enter the classroom? 36 graduate students were randomly assigned to 3 groups to test the impact of AI introduction timing on their problem-solving abilities, with results showing that introducing AI too early may erode creativity, discussion, and cognitive effort. A former Oracle engineer on an H-1B visa says AI and tech layoffs pushed him into constant career prep mode. A former Oracle engineer on an H-1B visa, Ayush Raj JHA, is among hundreds of thousands of workers in the U.S. on temporary visas, facing uncertainty and fear due to the rapid rise of AI and tech layoffs. With 60 days to find a new employer or risk losing legal status, JHA and many others are seeking to stay competitive by acquiring AI skills or preparing for job searches. This overlooked Google app finally gave me a reason to stop mindless scrolling. A user discovered the Google Arts and Culture app's Inspire feed, which provides a personalized stream of cultural stories, artwork, and historical events in bite-sized posts, making scrolling feel worthwhile and leaving them with a sense of discovery and learning. System lag. A mysterious letter is received without warning, bearing a notice of transfer to Mount Oba with a final date enclosed. Non-epitaxial perovskite polariton laser diode operating under direct current. Scientists have developed a non-epitaxial perovskite polariton laser diode operating under direct current, a significant breakthrough in electrical injection of solution-processed semiconductors. The device integrates a CS-PBBR3 microplate with carbon nanotube electrodes and an optical microcavity, achieving polariton lasing at a current of 65 μA. Finally, a brutally honest anime about the forbidden love of fighting games. Anime series, Young Ladies Don't Play Fighting Games, explores the world of fighting games and the forbidden love of its characters, featuring a transfer student Aya Mitsuki and her classmate Mio Yaru. I worked at Amazon on an F1 visa as layoffs mounted. Here's why I left for a semiconductor company. Vinit Juneja, a 24-year-old technical product manager, left Amazon after a short stint due to concerns about his F1 visa status, which limited his job search and required him to find a new role within 90 days of unemployment. He ultimately joined a semiconductor company, Applied Materials, after initially landing a job at Amazon through a startup. How I explore trauma through cinematic neuroscience. Neuroscientist and filmmaker Name explores trauma through a unique blend of cinematic storytelling and neuroscience research, using film as a tool to better understand and convey the complexities of traumatic experiences. Isaac Ella B. Japanese letter, PPO Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, UNITREE. G1 Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese symbol, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, MVP, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter. Unitree G1's Bottle Pick and Lift Reinforcement Learning Project, utilizing Isaac Lab and PPO, has commenced. The project focuses on developing the G1's Inspire hand to pick, lift, and hold lightweight bottle-like objects in a simulation environment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.